Hey everybody, I'm Logan Burchett, co-founder, chief operating officer over at Forecaster, and today I want to talk about my top 3 reasons for building a financial model. So if you're new to being a founder or you've never really looked into financial modeling, you've never maybe been asked for a financial model, it can be kind of a nebulous topic, one that's a little bit tricky to dive into, to fully understand, just because it's somewhat of a complex business function. So the value of building and managing a financial model may not seem obvious right off the bat, but today I'm going to hopefully deconstruct and demystify a lot of the value that a financial model can bring to the table. Before I dig into the content, if you could just take a second to like this video, to subscribe to the channel, it really helps us grow, really helps us reach more founders and really spread the word on how financial modeling can level up your business. And if you've never heard of Forecaster and you are looking into building a financial model, please do check us out. We're a great option to building and managing financial models, making that process a lot easier. We have world-class software. We pair our software up with amazing analysts that help make this process a lot easier and help you really unlock the value of financial modeling. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the topic. So the first reason that you're going to want to build and manage a financial model is that it is going to supercharge your fundraising process. Now, the reason that I say that is a financial model is not only a good tool to help you run your business better, but it's also an amazing communication tool to help you communicate the vision for your company and really help that message hit home with investors. The way that I like to describe it is that a pitch deck is a visual narrative for what you hope to achieve in your business. So that's going to tell your story with images, with graphs, with big words and punchy narratives to really help you get the point across of what you're trying to accomplish. A financial model does that exact same thing, but it does it using math and metrics and numbers. And this is how investors tend to think. A lot of investors are ex-entrepreneurs. A lot of them come from investment banking backgrounds. A lot of them are very deep in the weeds whenever it comes to finance, when it comes to metrics, when it comes to math. This is the way their brains work. So if you can present a comprehensive financial narrative to those investors, then it's going to make them analyze your company and your opportunity in the lens in which it's most familiar. I also like to say that one of the best ways to de-risk an investment for an investor is to show them your financial plan for how you're going to turn their dollars into more dollars. All of that's done with a financial model. So it's really an amazing communication device. It really is going to help you hit home with investors in the way that they are most used to seeing and analyzing these types of investments. So that's the first reason that a financial model is going to help you, is it's going to help you supercharge your fundraising process. Now, the other side of that is that a financial model is going to help you supercharge your operations, right? A financial model, whenever you boil it down, is a series of highly educated guesses and mathematical formulas that help you build towards an outcome. So these educated guesses come with a series of inputs, and those can be metrics, which are essentially goals that you are managing your team towards. And if you can manage to those goals, and if you can hit those goals, then it's all going to culminate in the financial outcomes that are described in the financial model. So if you want to be more tangible about it, we can see what your monthly churn rate, if you're a SaaS business, for example, needs to be in order for you to ultimately hit the outcome that you're hoping to achieve financially. We can understand what your monthly price needs to be. How many new customers do you need to get every single month? Which channels are those customers coming from? Therefore, how much do you need to spend on paid advertising or other marketing? When do you need to hire certain people? All of this stuff, if you build it right, your financial model can become a simulation of your business, a mathematical simulation of your business, and it will literally tell you the things that you need to do and the metrics that you need to hit in order to get the financial outcomes that you're looking for. It can also provide you a tool for analyzing the outcomes under a variety of different scenarios. So what happens if I don't quite hit that churn rate goal? Or what happens if I have to charge a little bit less to meet the demand of the clients that aren't converting at the rate that I want to? All of these things allow me to prepare for an outcome, for a variety of different outcomes. So I can manage towards the best case, but I can prepare for the worst case so that I have a plan in my back pocket if things start to go off the rails slightly. So it's really going to help supercharge your operations in that way. The third reason that we recommend building and managing a financial model is just never running out of cash unawares. So at the end of the day, a financial model is going to help you set top line revenue targets. It's going to help you understand where to spend money, but it's also going to tell you what your forecasted cash balance is going to be on any given month. So I can look out into the future and I can see where my risk of cash shortfalls are, and I can prepare for them accordingly. So if, for example, you're looking at your financial model and you see that you may have a cash shortfall in 6 months, let's say, that can allow you to put a plan together to address that way before it actually happens. Or if it doesn't happen, you've at least got that in your back pocket. So that may spur you to start talking to lenders, maybe get pre-approved for loans. Maybe you want to start talking to investors and prime them just in case you need a bridge financing of some sort. That doesn't guarantee that you're not going to run out of cash, but it does guarantee that you will at least have the processes and procedures put into place so that if you do ultimately end up running out of cash, you will have at least seen it and you've had a chance to prepare for it and try to avoid that. And that's what good financial planning is all about. It's all about preparation. It's all about preparing for a variety of different outcomes. It's about goal setting, but it's about having a plan in your back pocket if things don't go quite how you envision them. So that will at least give you the heads up and allow you to prepare for potentially a cash shortfall, even if that may or may not actually end up happening. So there you go. Those are my 3 reasons for building and managing financial models. They can be one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. It is my belief that financial modeling is the most underutilized tool in your business that can have one of the highest points of impact. So if you're interested at all in financial modeling, we have tons of free templates on the Forecaster website. That's www.forecaster.co. And if you're interested in leveling up and using a software for financial modeling, then I encourage you to get in touch with our team. We'll walk you through all of the benefits that Forecaster has to offer. Hopefully you found some value out of this video. Again, please like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. And until next time, hopefully this was helpful.